The 20th All India Police Band Competition was organized by Railway Protection Force under the aegis of All India Police Sports Control Board at Secunderabad. This is the third time this prestigious event was hosted by RPF, and RPF South Central Railway has the privilege of hosting it second time. This event was hosted at the Railway Sports Complex grounds of Secunderabad from 19th of February 2020. 22 teams from different state police units and paramilitary forces were represented by more than 1,300 personnel in this prestigious event. This mammoth event was held for 5 days under the able guidance of Director General RPF Shri Arun Kumar IPS, Shri G.M. Ishwara Rao, IRPFS IG cum Principal Chief Security Commissioner South Central Railway was made as Organizing Secretary to conduct this event. Senior officers of various units were made as in charge of various committees formed for the successful execution of this mega event. IG cum PCSE Northern Railway, Dr. S.N. Pandey, along with his team, efficiently handled printing of souvenir, arranging mementos, trophies and medals. The committee under IG cum Director RPF Training Center Maulali, Shri A.N. Sinha, smoothly organized the cultural program and Barakhana. Shri Sumati Shandilya, DIG MAC Railway Board, as a member of Central Coordination Committee, along with his team, perfectly acted as the bridge in bringing together the activities of various stakeholders of this mega event. DIG cum Chief Security Commissioner of SCR, Shri Ramesh Chandra, managed the finance, and Senior Divisional Security Commissioner of Vijayawada, Shri Sachin Balode, took care of publicity and food refreshments. Accommodation and transportation arrangements were made by the committees under the supervision of Senior Divisional Security Commissioner of Secunderabad, Shri S.R. Gandhi, along with overall program coordination. Ground arrangements were made by the committee under the supervision of Senior DSC of Hyderabad, Shri Shankar Kutti, Senior DSC of Chennai, Shri M. Senthil, Commanding Officer of RPSF 7th Battalion, Shri Malakundaya, Security Commissioner of Western Railway, Shri Sambashiva Rao, and others. A dedicated control room was set up under the charge of Security Commissioner of Secunderabad, Shri Jatin B. Raj, to work round the clock and to ensure timely dissemination of information and coordination between participating teams and organizing committees. Meetings were held from time to time, and minute detailing of each task was discussed threadbare under the able guidance of the Organizing Secretary, Shri G.M. Ishwara Rao, IG cum PCSE SCR SE. Teams started arriving much in advance of the commencement of the event. They reached various railway stations in and around Hyderabad and Secunderabad. The reception committee made all preparations to receive them, duly organizing liaison officers, vehicles for the transport, and keeping the accommodation ready to have a hassle-free stay. Throughout the competition, these liaison officers accompanied the teams, facilitating them and coordinating their movements. Their care ensured that the teams carried the sweet memory of the event as well as legacy of the Twin Cities. A dedicated bus for the team members, a truck for their instruments, and a car for the team manager were provided for every team at their disposal. 17th morning, the preparations for the event started at ground. The teams assembled at the venue for the preparations of inauguration ceremony and to coordinate the sequence of events for that day. They practice under the guidance of RPF officers and ustads. 18th morning, the team managers, experienced bandmasters and judges gathered for drawing the lots. Organizing Secretary Shri G.M. Ishwara Rao convened the team managers clinic and greeted with welcome kits and addressed them, duly explaining the rules of the event in presence of judges and referees. The gathering set in motion with a peaceful and cordial engagement between the teams and the organizers. After the meeting, While the teams practiced and perfected their maneuvers and moves with enthusiasm for the competitions, the organizing committee minutely undertook a final touch on the preparations for the event. 19th February 2020. The dawn broke with a sense of excitement and anticipation. The teams present themselves at RSC ground, decked up in their colorful uniforms, carrying their instruments, heads up with pride and honor for the customary inspection by expert judges to put their best foot forward for turnout assessment. It was a grand display of the cultural traditions of each band. The judges carefully and methodically inspected the participants, their uniforms and their instruments. A final round of practice for the inauguration and oath-taking ceremony was held after the inspection. The beautiful evening sky of Secunderabad, gifted with a pleasant weather, witnessed the inaugural function of the mega event. Honorable Governor of Telangana, Srimati Tamilisai Soundararajan, was the chief guest. Many other dignitaries, including Commissioner of Police, Hyderabad, Shri Anjani Kumar, retired DGs, senior railway police officers, enthusiastic school children, public were present to witness the grand opening ceremony. Escorted by 2 ceremonial guards of RPF and bugle call paying respects, the chief guest arrived at the venue. She was received by DG RPF Shri Arun Kumar along with GM South Central Railway Shri Gajanan Malya and IG PCSC of South Central Railway Shri GM Ishwara Rao. The chief guest was introduced to the team managers while she was escorted to the dais. She was given a traditional welcome with a bouquet by Shri Arun Kumar, DG RPF. A splendid display of march past by the participating teams followed. Marching with rhythm, in tune with the drum beat, it was a perfect blend of coordination and discipline. The host, RPF, paid respects to the dignitaries with a spectacular band display following the march past. The women pipers of Rajasthan Police Band performed in honor of chief guest. Adorned in their colorful attires, their skillful maneuvers in rhythm to soothing pipe music was nothing short of a beautiful ballet show, a true display of Nari Shakti. DG RPF extended a hearty welcome to the chief guest, other dignitaries, invitees and all the participating team members. GM SCR bestowed his greetings and wishes for the successful conduct of the event. The souvenir of 20th All India Police Band competition was released by the chief guest. Her Excellency then delivered her keynote address expressing her joy for being present at such colorful event. She highlighted the intrinsic connection of music and forces. Both can soothe mind and bodies while they are in agitating state. She declared the meet open, unfurling the meet flag, releasing the balloons and other fanfare. The teams took oath in unison to take part in the competition in the true spirit, maintaining mutual respect, abiding the rules and keeping up the honor and integrity of their uniforms. As a token of respect, the Honorable Governor was presented a memento. The inaugural ceremony concluded with vote of thanks by Organizing Secretary, followed by the National Anthem. A high tea was arranged for the dignitaries and the guests with exotic and delicious dishes. 20th of February, the morning air of Secunderabad witnessed the beginning of the competitions. Competitions were held in bugles, bagpipes and the brass band categories. While 21 teams participated in the brass band competition in the morning, 16 teams competed for pipe band in the evening. The teams played a variety of musical compositions to display the skills. The participants, decked up in their colorful uniforms, marched in fast and slow modes. Their movements were rhythmic and synchronized with unique formations and maneuvers, showcasing their extraordinary skills sculpted through hours of practice and sweat. The show hypnotized the spectators with an exhibition of the bond between music and discipline and the beauty born out of it. 21st morning. It was the day of overture competitions at RPF Training Center, Maulali. Yet another spectacular display of mastery of brass band teams playing with precision, bringing subtle delicacy out of trumpets and cornets with the movement of conductor's baton. Evening of the day saw the delightful display by buglers at RSC grounds. A display of individual and combined ceremonial bugle call skills, raising the heartbeats of viewers. As a feast to the citizens of the hosting twin cities, Hyderabad and Secunderabad. On the evening of 21st February, CRPF, ITBP, Maharashtra Police and RPF teams mesmerized the public with their performance at 3 iconic locations: Charminar, Necklace Road and Secunderabad Railway Station. Shishurveti, Pashurveti, Veti Veti Ganarasam Phanihi. Public gathered in large groups, appreciating the skills displayed by the teams and showed interest for music. The outreach was an instant hit with live telecast in TV channels. 22nd February 2020. The competitions reached its last leg by then. The teams got into rehearsal mode once again for the closing ceremony and the final practice. Shri G.M. Ishwara Rao, the organizing secretary, personally inspected the practice session to ensure a splendid demonstration during closing ceremony. The memories were made everlasting for the participants on 22nd night. A spectacular cultural night and Barakhana was arranged at the parade ground of RPF Training Center, Maulali, which was personally attended by Shri Arun Kumar, DG RPF. Many dignitaries and their families attended the night celebrations. The cultural night represented the whole diversity of India. The audience enjoyed the night, dancing and singing together with the performances. The cultural night concluded with the declaration of competition winners. The time of reckoning arrived. The judges have evaluated the performances and ranked the teams in various categories. The performances were of very high standard, making it a tough call for the judges to pick the best. In brass band category, CRPF won the competition with their splendid performance, while Jammu and Kashmir came second and Rajasthan came third. In pipe band category, Maharashtra Police won the well-deserving gold medal, while second position was won by CRPF, followed by Odisha to come third. In bugle, CRPF came first, while Rajasthan secured second place and Assam Rifles came third. The Barakhana. Every team was assigned with individual food counters served with a wide variety of delicious cuisine. 23rd, the day of conclusion of the event. While the teams practiced one last time for the closing ceremony, the organizers were looking into every detail of the arrangements. The stage was set for the grandiose ceremony with the trophies and medals waiting for the new champions. The event will not get bigger than this, with Shri Venkaiah Naidu, Honorable Vice President of India, gracing the occasion as the chief guest. The chief guest arrived at the venue with the buglers paying respects. He was received by DG RPF Shri Arun Kumar along with GM SCR Shri Gajanan Malya and PCSC of SCR Shri GM Ishwara Rao. The ceremony began with national anthem followed by the march past by the participating teams. The teams marched with heads up, saluting the chief guest. It was a grand display of respect to the Honorable Vice President of the nation. DG RPF accorded hearty welcome to the chief guest and other dignitaries. CRPF team, the brass band category winner, showcased their award-winning performance in honor of the chief guest, followed by the pipers of Maharashtra who won the trophy. The team manager and captains of CRPF team, the winners of brass band and bugle categories, received the trophies from the chief guest. Team manager of Maharashtra Police received the winner's trophy for the pipe band. RPF band master Shri Bhajantri won the prize for the best conductor in brass band, making the host organization proud, while Maharashtra Police Team Drum Major became the best conductor in pipe band category. The overall championship was won by CRPF. The Honorable Vice President congratulated the winners and participating team members for their spirit and enthusiasm in his address. He highlighted the evolution of police bands, symbolizing the culture and traditions of a great nation and its role in boosting the morale of the forces. Coffee Table Book of RPF, depicting the glorious history of the force, its evolution from watch and ward of British India to an armed force of the Union, was released by the Honorable Vice President. As a token of respect, DG RPF presented a miniature model of steam engine, a signature of railway legacy, to the chief guest. On request of DG, the chief guest declared the meet closed, following which the teams together played a thumping retreat tune to the lowering meet flag. Meet flag was taken to the dais and the Honorable Chief Guest received it and handed over the flag to the Organizing Secretary for safe custody. PCSC SCR expressed his gratitude to the dignitaries, invitees and all other officials who strived hard to make the event a grand success, officially bringing the event to its conclusion, inviting all to join for high tea. All the teams together played the national anthem. The teams dispersed from the venue with a heart filled with pleasant memories, satisfaction and fulfillment. Then it was the time for photo session. The winners, the organizers and the dignitaries captured the memories of pride into film. DG RPF interacted with the media to share the highlights of the event along with the achievements of Railway Protection Force. The teams left Secunderabad with happy faces and cheerful memories, with a cherished look for the next meet. More than the accolades received from guests and public regarding the successful conduct of a national event of this magnitude, a pat on the back by head of the force, Shri Arun Kumar, DG RPF, well done, has boosted the morale and confidence of all organizing committee members. RPF was supported wholeheartedly by all the sister departments of South Central Railway. Hyderabad City Police and paramilitary forces in Hyderabad and Secunderabad also helped RPF in this humongous task. The combination of sharp brains, helping hearts and able hands resulted in great success. We thank All India Police Sports Control Board for the confidence for entrusting Railway Protection Force with this prestigious event. 20th All India Police Band competition was more than just a competition. It was a challenge, an honorable quest towards perfection for both the participants and the organizers, the Railway Protection Force. The force with one heart followed the aim, with honest effort and dedication culminating in the flawless execution of the event. Yasho Labaswa. Jai Hind.